Welcome to the demonstration of our complete 5G network architecture, featuring the 5G core, EdgeQ gNodeB, and Simnovus UE simulator. This system is highly configurable, allowing you to set up various antenna configurations such as 4x4 or 2x2, and different bandwidths including 100 MHz, 20 MHz, and 40 MHz. You can also utilize carrier aggregation options like 2cc or 3cc, supporting a range of active users from 32 to 256 UEs. Our current setup features 4x4 antennas with a 100 MHz bandwidth, one carrier component, and 128 users performing UDP bidirectional data transfer. On the UE simulator, you can see all 128 UEs registered and in the RRC connected state. Our system shows a downlink throughput of around 1.3 gigabits per second and an uplink throughput of approximately 55 megabits per second, which aligns with our expected performance based on the cell configuration. Next, we reconfigure the system to use 2x2 antennas with 2cc carrier aggregation, maintaining a 100 MHz bandwidth and 128 UEs performing UDP bidirectional data transfer. The statistics on the UE simulator now display the downlink and uplink data for both carrier aggregated cells, with a downlink throughput of about 650 megabits per second and an uplink throughput of around 30 megabits per second on each cell. By clicking on the UE stats, you can see detailed information for each UE, including RSRP, SNR, IP address, and both downlink and uplink bit rates. For the next demonstration, we revert to a 4x4 antenna setup with one carrier component and 128 UEs, this time enabling link adaptation. You'll notice variations in data performance. When examining the UE stats, it's evident that data rates drop when the RSRP is low, demonstrating the dynamic response of the system to varying signal conditions. Thank you for watching this detailed video on Simnovus UE simulator demo.